In this video, I'll show you how to recover your Facebook Business Manager account step by step. If you've lost access to your Business Manager, don't worry, you may be able to restore it by verifying your identity and contacting Meta. First, open your web browser and go to Meta Business Suite. Try signing in with the Facebook account that originally created or manages the Business Manager. If you can access your account, immediately change your password and enable two-factor authentication to improve security. Next, open Business Settings and check that you still have admin access. If you've been removed or can't access the business, go to the Help or Support section and select the option for Account Recovery or a compromised business account. Follow the on-screen instructions and provide any requested information, such as your business details or identity verification documents. If your account was hacked, report the issue to Meta as soon as possible and complete any security checks they require. Once Meta reviews your request and confirms your ownership, your Business Manager access can be restored. After recovery, review all users, permissions, payment methods, and security settings to protect your business account from future issues. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy app tutorials. Thanks for watching.